Good morning to all. Today we learn about the expressive concentration of a solution. Expressing concentration of a solution. Concentration of solution means amount of solid present in given amount of the solvent or solution is called concentration of the solution. Amount of solution is also expressed in the mole. Then it is also defined that number of mole present in given amount of solvent or solution is called concentration of the solution. On the basis of concentration of solution are divided solution are divided into two types. In the first dilute solution, first dilute solution and dilute solution means low concentration of solution. Low concentration of solution is called dilute solution. And second, concentrated solution. Concentrated solution. This is a high concentrated solution. High concentration of solution is called concentrated solution. Concentration of solution is expressed by several methods. First method is mass percentage. Mass percentage. This method is also called W by W percent. W by W means mass of solute and mass of solvent both are expressed in gram. That is called W by W. And so W by W percent equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Means mass of solute present in per 100 gram of solvent or solution is called W by W percent या mass percentage. For example, 10% glucose in water by mass means 10 gram glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. Second, volume percentage. Volume percentage is represented by V by V percentage. V by V means if both solid and solvent are liquid, then it is expressed, its concentration is expressed in volume percentage. And volume percentage V by V percentage equal to mass of equal to volume of solid in milliliter per liter and volume of solution into 100. It means volume of solid present in per 100 milliliter of the solution is called V by V percentage. Suppose that 10-20% ethanol in water means 20 milliliter of ethanol is present in 80 milliliter of H2O. Third method for expressing the concentration of solution is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage, and that is called W by V percentage. And so W by V percentage means mass of solid, amount of solid is expressed in gram, and amount of solvent or solution is taken in milliliter. Means mass is solid state and volume is in liquid state, then that is expressed in W by V percentage. Means W by V percentage equal to mass of solid divided by upon volume of solution into 100. It is also defined that mass of solid present in per 100 milliliter of solution is called mass by volume percentage. Suppose that we write 10% sugar, 10% sugar in water by W by V percentage. It means 10 gram sugar is Argentine 100 gram of solution. Fourth method is parts per million. Parts per million, that is called ppm. Million ten to the power 6. So here parts per million ppm equal to the amount of solute present in per million of solution. Per million amount of solution into 10 to the power 6. If we write solute in liquid, then volume of solute upon volume of solution into 10 to the power 6. If we take number of particles of solute divided by number of part of solution into 10 to the power 6. So this is parts per million. This is used for very dilute solution. Very dilute solution. Such as pollution of air, medicine, in syrup or liquid is expressed in parts per million. Parts per million. You define that parts per million means number of parts of solid present in per million of solution is called parts per million.